What's up guys, it's Nick from ChatSSHPlug. So I made the update for OAuth. Plugins are, at this time, only allow OAuth authentication. So I had to create an update for the, instead of using bearer tokens, it uses the OAuth system. So let's jump right ahead. Everything's the same. Sign in, you purchase a package, and then you can add servers. You can add servers through the interface, which I think is a little bit easier, and then you can go and manage the server through ChatGPT, but you can do both. So let's first copy this link. I'm going to put that right here. Okay. I'm going to go into the plugin store, install and verify plugin. It's unverified for now. Find plugin. Okay, continue. Login. Okay.
On to the next one.
Let's log in. You're going to get redirected.
On to the next one. On to the next one.
Perfect. Now it's available. Okay. Now, please list my servers.
What does that mean when a car has a lead on it?
Okay. See, everything is the same as this right here. Perfect. So let's do a side by side. So let's run ls on server. See, clear server, nothing's on it. No, when I run ls, nothing pops up. Okay, please create a file on the home directory. It says hello world inside the folder. Please create a file inside the contents. The contents of that file should say hello ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. Okay. Beautiful. Let it do its thing.
Which one?
Beautiful. Okay. Now let's run ls again. Perfect. Now let's view the content of it. Beautiful. You see? Alright guys, thank you for taking the time, and ChatGPT, thank you for taking the time to review my plugin and give me back feedback. Alright guys, again, I had posted on the forum. If you guys would like to test it out, again, I'm giving free memberships out. This is still in development stages. Everything's up and running now, but if you guys have any suggestions, updates, or you guys just want to test it out, please let me know. Thank you.